Hey, today I'm going to show you how we install WordPress by installing WordPress.org zip file to our cPanel file manager. This is actually my favorite way to install WordPress because I can make sure that all my files are transferred properly to my cPanel file manager. So the first step is you go into Google and type in WordPress.org and you're going to hit search, and you will have this window. So you're going to hit download links here, and then you're going to download this latest version of WordPress, which is WordPress 3, and I've already have it on my desktop, so we are ready to install it. Now we go to our cPanel again, we go back to our cPanel again, and the next step is we create new database. So going to MySQL databases, and here, as you can see, I have no database, so I'm going to create new database. And this new database, I'm going to name it WP3DB. You can name it whatever you want, create database, but I recommend that you name it uniquely. Go back. So now we have created database, as you can see, but we don't have user for this database. So the next step is we're going to create new username, and for example, I'm going to use my username as my name or unique name. So I'm going to type in username Sammy, which is my dog, and you can name your username whatever you like, but unique as well. And the password is, I'm going to password Sammy123 Sammy123, and you should put your password and until it says green, which is strong password. And I'm going to hit create user, and as you can see, added user Sammy with this password. And I'm going to go back. So the next step is we're going to add this user which we just created to this database. So this user to this database, and then we're going to click add, and here we click all privileges and hit make changes. Now we go back, we go to the table, and as you can see, this user is added to this database. Now we're going to go to our home of our cPanel, click in a new window. So the next step is we're going to file manager and hit go. Now we're going to upload our file. It was on my desktop, and here it is, WordPress 3.zip. I'm going to open. So once it's finished uploaded, we go back to our public HTML, and as you can see, there it is, our WordPress 3.zip. Now we're going to extract file, extract file, and hit close. Delete this zip file since we don't need it. Now we open this WordPress folder. So once we've opened this folder, it will show us these files. I'm going to resize my window, and the next step is going to select all this file by clicking this button, select all, and we're going to move this file, move file, since we want to install it in the root. So we delete this folder name, which is WordPress, and let our WordPress file stay in public _HTML. So now we're going to hit move file, will be gone, and we're going to up one level. There is our file, is here. We're going to delete this WordPress folder since we don't need it. Now we are ready to install WordPress. We go to our domain name, and of course, so once it's open, of course it's show us an error. Doesn't matter. We hit create a configuration file and hit let's go. Now our database name, if you don't remember, we go to home of your cPanel, and then we go to MySQL databases, and there we can see that our database name is this. Copy, paste it in, and the next is our username is this, copy, paste it in, and our password was Sammy123, and database host is localhost, and table prefix you change it as unique as you can, and by doing this now you don't have to change database table prefix later on for your blog security. Now we're going to hit submit and then run the install button. And site title, this is your keywords, so for example like build a blog, and our username for admin, this is very nice of the latest version of WordPress, which is WordPress 3, because they allow you to choose username which is not admin. In this case I'm going to choose as unique as I can, so Sammy is my dog, and password Sammy123, Sammy123. Of course you're going to choose password that unique until it says very strong, and my email address test. And of course you're going to allow your site to appear in search engines like Google and Technology, but for this demonstration I'm going to uncheck it. So going to install WordPress, and my username is Sammy my dog, and my password is chosen password. So copy this and log in. Sammy is my dog, and my password is Sammy123. Log in. So there it is. You have your blog which is functionally working, and if we go to the front end, as you can see, we have built a blog. So that's it guys. I hope it's going to be a help, and good luck with your new blog. Take care.